Today, I want to talk about one of the simplest yet most effective ways to stay fit: walking workouts. Yep, just walking. Whether you're aiming for a light, easygoing activity or something a bit more intense, walking can be your go-to. We all have those days when we want to tone down the intensity, and on those days, switching to low-impact exercises, like walking, is perfect. What's great about it is that it's gentle on your joints, yet still gives you a good, heart-pumping session. Let me share a few tips on how you can get the most out of your walks. 1. Add intervals to your walk. One of my favorite ways to turn a regular walk into a more effective workout is by adding intervals. Instead of just walking at a steady pace, mix it up. Start with a brisk walk to warm up for about 5 minutes. Then, alternate between 1 minute of faster walking, like you're in a hurry, and 2 minutes of slower walking to recover. This simple technique can boost your endurance and help burn more calories. 2. Go on a hike. Sometimes, it's fun to get out of the usual routine. Instead of sticking to flat, familiar paths, try going on a hike. Hiking doesn't just work your legs, it lifts your mood and helps clear your mind. Plus, there's something about being out in nature that just makes you feel alive. So, find a trail nearby, grab your walking shoes, and hit those hills. 3. Walk on an incline. If you're more into indoor workouts, no problem. You can easily replicate an uphill walk on a treadmill by adjusting the incline. Start at a low incline for your warm-up, then bump it up to about 8 to 10% for a few minutes. Repeat this a few times, and finish with a cool-down walk. Walking on an incline activates more muscles and helps you burn more calories, so it's a win-win. So, there you have it. Walking workouts can be as simple or as challenging as you want them to be. They're low impact, easy to fit into your schedule, and you don't need fancy equipment, just a comfortable pair of shoes. Whether it's interval walking, hiking, or using an incline, try mixing these ideas into your fitness routine and see how you feel. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.